Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
Thank you very much.
I came here to basically pay homage to the president-elect and to let him know that, elections are over. This is governance, and we will do our best, to give him support for good governance of Nigeria.
Elections have come and gone. The winner has emerged, and therefore it is necessary for all Nigerians to rally around to give him the necessary support for the interests of Nigeria. And everybody is expecting, everybody can wait till May 29th to see that the president has been inaugurated, and then from there he keep the ground rolling to make sure that Nigerians get what they expect. I'm confident that he has what it takes to turn Nigeria around. I have that confidence.
It's another day of full activities at the residence of the president-elect. Members of the Progressive Governors Forum, led by the governor of Kebbi State, are coming to pay homage. Other dignitaries, including serving senators and traditional rulers, also joined the visiting group. As soon as they enter the building, the doors are closed for a meeting. When the meeting ends, the chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum came out to encourage Nigerians to remain optimistic.
President-elect was magnanimous in expressing his thoughts in the Renewed Hope Manifesto. He told the world what he's promising. He had been on campaign trails across the country, and he has expatiated on that. So, President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu has offered renewed hope for the nation, and I believe we will see more of it.
Some senators who were part of the meeting appealed to all Nigerians to give the incoming administration a chance.
We should pray, and we should cooperate with the government and wish the government well, so that the government, I know the government has very, very good intentions, fantastic intentions to uplift the lives of the people of this country, to bring unprecedented development.
I think the courts are in a position to decide, but I don't think it's a problem. Nigerians have a right to go to court, and the courts also have a right to, independence of the government.
The issue of the leadership of the 10th National Assembly again came to the fore.
The leadership of the party, working with Mr. President-elect, will direct as they think is to the best interest of not only the country, the government, and indeed our great party.
First of all, he's been zoned. It had to be zoned. When it's zoned, then you go from there. That's what happens. Once it's zoned, then look at who are you zoning it to. The person must be very loyal to the person that is in charge. He must know who he picks must be someone that's relied to him.
The meeting, which lasted for a few hours, was attended by the Vice President-elect, Senator Kashim Shettima, and other APC stalwarts.
Back home now, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the just concluded election, Mr. Peter Obi, is calling for a new Nigeria where an ordinary Nigerian stands a chance for growth and success. He was speaking at the second edition of the Handshake Across Nigeria, which is themed Building Bridges for a New Nigeria. And this was organized by an eco-social-cultural group. And for the keynote speaker, Mr. Michael Zekome, there must be investment in skills, advancement of technology, establishment of pilot projects, as well as involvement of international agencies, amongst others. He also sees the opportunity to plead with the president to release the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu.
We need a new Nigeria. A Nigeria where those of us, people who were son of nobody, will be great, live well, have a job, earn a living. That's all we want. And I'm sure Nzukumuna on their own will play their part. We will continue to play our part. I enjoy all of you to know that this new Nigeria is not going to be easy. Because we have people who have lived up this confusion for a long time. They are not going to walk away. All of us must stay until they go away.
Thank you very much.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back. Una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. It's your sister again, your daughter, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.